Hi, Holly Stokes with the Brain Trainer here. I am so excited to be speaking this year at the National Guild of Hypnotists meeting in Boston, Massachusetts. And it's August 9th through 11th. And I tell you, these hypnosis conferences are so much fun. Being a hypnotist over the last 18 years, it can feel a little bit isolating because we don't necessarily have a coworker team or a group of people. So going to these events, when I found them several years ago, I was just super excited to meet other people, other hypnotists from all over the world, and they speak your own language. We do speak a different language as hypnotists. So the course that I'm sharing this time is Tap into Your Hypnotic Genius, that you can write and record your own CDs and scripts. In this course, we're going to learn the top ways to set up your laptop to record your hypnosis script so that it sounds professional, that you don't have to go out and do a recording studio. When I first started, I did the recording studio, but now the materials are so great. The microphones, everything. We're going to get you set up with what you need to know there. Plus, you're going to get a formula for effective hypnosis sessions. So this formula, you can use it with your private clients, customized clients, or you can use it to create your own material for the internet or to send to clients or to send to people. We're going to cover digital files, how to transfer digital files, a little bit about YouTube and how to set up your own YouTube channel as well. So digital products, definitely, plus that effective formula. And we're going to show you kind of the easy ways, the easy hacks to edit, write, and record. And especially now with technology, there's so many things that make it easier. So you'll become a hypnotic genius. You'll be able to tap into that genius and get your digital material out there, which is great advertising for you as a hypnotist, and get the message out there that we can harness our brains to change our lives and step into the lives that we desire. So I hope to see you there at the National Guild of Hypnotists meeting. And I love sharing these tools and skills. We'll see you there.